Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I love 164. So today we are going to see this 5-pack, but before that, have you guys seen the video where I have unboxed these when I was out and I have done the unboxing of this 5-pack? I said I found two and I'll do the unboxing soon. So this was the second one, but before that, let's pull all the cards out from the previous one. So this was the first, right? Let's put this here. We had this giant, let's put this here, and we had this helicopter. Let's put the helicopter here as well. This was the boat, and last we had this amazing mug. So I'm gonna bring the turntable here to keep the models. I'll settle the angle later. I kept it up because it was not coming otherwise. So let's do the unboxing of this now. So when I was out, of course I was not having a cutter with me, so I ripped it open, but this time I have a cutter here, so I can just cut this a little more decently. This is actually very thick to cut. Yeah, better. I don't want to cut my hand actually, because these kind of cutters make a very sharp cut on your hand if it does. Yeah, it worked. So I'm just going to pull out and put these cars on the display here, and I'll show you guys one by one. And trust me, this is just something really amazing, just like the Raptor itself. Let's put these boxes on the side, because we are here to enjoy the cars, not the boxes. Now let me adjust the angle and I'll show you guys one by one. So let's start with this cool Jeep. Here's your base with all the details on it. It's a Jeep Wrangler. Of course it's a Matchbox, of course it does roll, and let's have a closer look on it. Okay, this is your Jeep with the silver color and blue trim on it. It is not very much detailed on the back or on the front, but we have all the details on the side with the Jurassic Park logo and the number 9 on it. We have already seen the number 12 Jeep. It was in the red, which is parking right here. This looks cool. I think it is nice. We have seen actually this Jeep previously, and what I did, I pulled it out and it looks better now. It looks far better. So it is something that I'm going to do with this also, but I just don't want to damage it, so I will do that off camera. But before that, I'll show you the second, not a car. It's a Raptor. It's a Velociraptor. So we do not review things like this, but because it is in the 5-pack, we should. I don't know since when the Velociraptors are yellow pale in color with the brown stripes on the back. It looks more like a tiger than a raptor to me, but that's fine. Matchbox had made it and we will keep it. Yes, still it looks nice, but if they would have created it in green, it would have been better, I think. Now let's move to the third one. We have seen this previously, of course. It was in single releases also. It's engine vehicle. The color is a bit different on this one than the one we have seen previously. The Raptor has fallen. I hope it's not dead. Let's have a close look on this car. Okay, so we have seen this one previously in the original color as it was in the movie. This time it is more like a military color without any detailings on the front. There are some details on the sides and back, but they do not put any details on the front. I like the kind of vehicle it is. It is EV, of course. I don't like EVs even though, but still I like this one because it was in the climax of the movie. I don't know why Matchbox created this in this particular color. I mean, you should not recolor the natural things. They should have made the same car and then put in this 5 box. We would have still bought it. So even though it was a different color, I still liked it somehow. Next, I'm going to show you guys this amazing van. This is something I love about this box. This van is something I like the most in this box. There are no decals over it, but it's nice. Don't run. The driver is running because of the Velociraptor. This Ford van is something I really like, and it is quite heavy in weight. I really like how they detailed it on the side with the blood on it, and on the side we can see that all dust and everything. On the bottom, it's a dirty bottom. I like the wheels on it. I like the color also. I wish they would have put some detailing on it, front and back lights. Other than that, it's really cool casting to have. And last, we have this awesome truck. This is actually one of the coolest car I found in these 5 packs. It's off-road rescue rig. Oh wow, there are detailings of chain over here as well. Let's put this on the turntable and have a look. Spark it out. So this color and this car is really dope. It's a 6-wheel truck. It's quite huge in comparison to other cars, of course, and it is very well detailed. You can see all the details on the side, the way they created the cage on it. I really like the cab design. The wheels on it are really awesome, and you can see the fuel tank and everything, and there is a Dinosaur logo on the side as well. It is actually a very nice set to have in your collection, guys. I have only these 2 sets from the Jurassic Park, and rest are like singles that I found time by time, and I kept them all together, and I'm really happy and lucky that I have this collection. So guys, that was your another Matchbox 5-pack. Do let me know in the comments which of these, out of all these 5-10 cars, 8 cars actually, and they are actually not 8 cars even, these are 6 cars, and one is boat and then helicopter and 2 dinosaurs. I like this set. I really like this set. And before I say bye, I was thinking to pull this out off camera, but let's just do it. I hope I do not break it. Oh well, I did not break it. It's fine. Throw it away and look at this. I like this Jeep like it, man. I like it like this. Very nice, right? Looks pretty. I like it. I like it. I love it. I have many Jeeps. But thank you so much for watching this. See you in the next one. Bye bye.